Kia ora, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, with news some investors are focusing on the positive, others on the negative today. Firstly, however, the bond market is tanking, even though equity markets are holding high. Investors may be sensing that the best of the recovery is behind them, and the rapid spread of the Delta variant is a reminder that we're going to have to learn to live with the virus for years to come. But despite this, there are still reasons to be optimistic. Firstly, most of the second quarter GDP reports have been quite good, and when ours are released next month, they will likely be too. And secondly, the US is going to get its big infrastructure deal. And thirdly, the US PMIs for July were really very strong, but not quite as strong as markets expected, which is why some investors are pulling back. However, that doesn't alter the real expansions in manufacturing. European factories are expanding fast too. It is true that China is in a slowdown, however, and approaching a stall, but they are the weak one, the outlier. Beijing is eyeing a recovery that is not solid and uneven, blaming global forces, with promises of more stimulus support on the way. But Japan, Taiwan and South Korea are all expanding at good rates. Even India is too now. In Australian factories, there are signs that the top has been taken off their factory expansions by the recent lockdowns, but there were still good expansions in July. But the new rolling lockdowns are taking a toll, and quite quickly. The Aussie press may be enamoured by the Afterpay deal, but in fact behind the scenes the RBA and the Australian Treasury are dusting off their crisis stimulus playbooks. US Treasury 10-year yield starts today sharply lower again at 1.17% and down another 6 basis points overnight. And the price of gold is now just on $1,816 an ounce, and up another $2 from where we were yesterday. And oil prices are sharply lower today, down by $2.50 a barrel. And in the US, they're now just under $71 a barrel, while the international Brent price is down by $3 at just on $72.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar opens today just on 69.7 US cents and unchanged since this time yesterday. But against the Australian dollar, we're back lower at 94.7 Australian cents. Against the euro, we're unchanged at 58.8 euro cents. That means our trade-weighted index starts today at 72.5 and marginally lower. We welcome your feedback on these issues. Leave a comment below or on our website. Kia ora, I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.